It used to be when we went to the grocery store to pick up some ice cream, the biggest decision that we had to make was, what flavor do we want? But these days, there are so many more options to consider. And with July being National Ice Cream Month, I can't think of a better time to head to your market to stock up and take advantage of all the sales that are going on right now. Before it's time to decide what flavor we want, the first thing we need to choose is whether we're craving frozen yogurt, sorbet, sherbet, or something a bit more traditional. And for those of us who are looking for dairy-free options, there are lots of those too. Then we have to think if we want to scoop it ourselves or we'd rather pick up an assortment of ice cream novelties. There are so many fun new options along with the nostalgic ones, just like we used to get from the ice cream truck. So to take advantage of all these favorites, we've created a special dessert that combines all of them. It's layer after layer of freshly baked cake, alternated with ice cream. And to put this over the top, each layer and the top is brimming with cut-up ice cream novelties, a little caramel and hot fudge, and it's time to dig in. To get the recipe for our ice cream party cake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an ice cream-tacular way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.